Before applying any countertop coating, you'll need to clean the surface and apply masking tape around the perimeter. The kit we're using is called LuxRock, and it includes a few more steps than other stone coating systems. The first of those is the primer, which is applied with a brush around the edges and a roller for larger areas. Once the primer has dried, you apply the thicker stone coating with a brush. The trick here is to stir the mixture well and ensure that the pieces of stone are distributed evenly across the countertop surface. After the first coat has dried, you apply a second coat of the stone material before you let it cure for 24 hours. Now you're ready to sand the surface using a random orbital sander with paper starting at 120 grit followed by 180 grit. This process exposes the minerals in the coating as it smooths the surface. After sanding, all of the dust must be removed from the surface before the next step, which is the application of a two-part epoxy coating. Because this layer is designed to be thick, we're pouring it on the surface before spreading it out with a roller. Once the epoxy cures for 24 hours, you can move on to the next step, which is wet sanding the surface with 400 grit paper to remove any tiny blemish and bubble in the surface. After a thorough washing, we apply 2 coats of a clear polyurethane sealer to the surface to protect it and enhance the shine.